Welcome back to the Barbecue Lab. I'm David. Behind the camera is Melissa, and today we want to show you what came in this box. And it's Halloween, so you know we've got a special guest who we want to introduce to you, who's going to help us with this video. You know this one's going to be a ton of fun. All right, Boba, so you told us what's in this box is going to help us with your newest kill, right? So let's break this thing open and see what we got in here. Oh, I think I know. I think I know what this is. This is a meat grinder, isn't it? Oh, this is going to be some fun. All right, let's get this thing unboxed and show the camera what we're working with, all right? All right, we got everything out of the box, and I've got to say, first impressions, I'm crazy impressed with how thick and how beefy the metal is on this thing. I mean, this is basically a commercial meat grinder. I mean, this is not like what I would expect to see at a home meat grinder. I mean, this thing is massive. I mean, this thing alone has got to weigh, what, 15, 20 pounds? So, just first impressions, crazy impressed with this for the price and for the fact that this is meant to be something that you'd use at home. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing fully assembled, and then you're going to show us your recent kill, right? All right, let's just put this thing together. Okay, so we got everything washed and reassembled, and I think we're ready to go. So you said, Boba, that this is your most recent kill, right? Now, and you said this was bantha? I'm not sure. Why does bantha look like brisket? All right, well, this bantha brisket is what we're going to do. We're going to take this 20-pound bantha brisket and try to put it through this grinder. We're going to use it for burgers, go from brisket to ground brisket for burgers, and we'll see how long this thing takes, as well as can it handle the whole thing without overheating and stopping. So let's go ahead and take this, put our bowl down here. We're ready to go. And it's going to be up to us to feed all this in here. So let's go ahead and put a bunch in there. You got your gloves? So put a bunch in here, right here, just right in here, this pan. You're a good helper, Boba. Let's fire it up. It doesn't seem to be having any problem with meat versus fat or any of that kind of stuff. It's just knocking it out. I don't even have to plunge it down. I just have to drop it in the hole. I think the problem we're going to have is we're going to have to switch bowls. So hang on. This grinder does not need to wait. Does not need to wait. It's waiting on me. I'm not waiting on it. That's for sure. And that, my friends, is it. Okay, so what did we learn? Well, first of all, I didn't plan a big enough bowl for this bantha brisket that we just ground up for burgers, but this thing, it was not the machine that was slow. It was me that was slow. I could not keep up with how fast this thing wanted to go ahead and grind this brisket. It has so much power and it's so fast. So I mean, it ground this whole entire 20-pound brisket I think this thing could do hundreds of pounds of meat at a time. So first run, crazy impressed with this. If you're looking for a meat grinder for your setup, I'll leave a link down in the description below to where you can find this on Meet Your Maker. But I gotta tell you, this is crazy impressive right out of the gate. I'm sure we're gonna be doing some more testing on this on the channel coming up, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And you may even see Boba Fett on the channel every now and then. Now, Boba here is a bounty hunter, but some of you watching are deer hunters, and you're hunters for big game. If you're looking for one of these to process your meats, I gotta tell you, I am thoroughly impressed with how this thing performed right out of the gate. So if you're looking to up your game, did that thing just go right through the camera?
I think it did.
That's funny. So if you're looking to up your processing game, I got to tell you, this thing is legit. So check out the link in the description below. And I think Boba Fett wants to take his helmet off. I know Mandalorians aren't allowed to, but are you really a Mandalorian?
Nope.
Oh, it's Ethan. All right. Thanks for being a part of this video today, bud. Anything you want to say to all of them?
Have a happy Halloween if you're watching this.
All right. Thanks so much for watching. Check out the link in the description below if you're looking for a grinder. I'm thoroughly impressed. We'll see you next time.
Happy Halloween!